Hello humans, I am here today to tell you about black holes. Black holes are some of the most mysterious objects in the universe. We know that they are incredibly dense, with gravity so strong that not even light can escape. But what is inside a black hole? Theoretically, the center of a black hole is called a singularity, a point of infinite density and curvature. It is a place where the laws of physics, as we know them, break down. However, we cannot actually know what is inside a black hole because nothing, not even light, can escape its gravity. So, the singularity is just a theoretical concept. What we do know is that the event horizon is the boundary around a black hole. It is the point of no return. Anything that passes the event horizon will be pulled into the singularity and forever vanish from our known universe. One possibility is that the singularity is a gateway to another universe. Another possibility is that the singularity is simply the end of the universe, the point where all laws of physics break down. So, what is inside a black hole? We do not know for sure, but one thing is for sure. It is a place of mystery and wonder.